Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you two of my favorite cars. We have a 66 Impala and the 88 Caprice Classic. Those of you who know me know that I love older cars especially. So let me get into it, show you walk around, condition inside and out, and that's going to give you some info on these cars. Not to make this video too long, I'm going to divide it in two parts. So I'll do one car at a time, one video for each car. That way you don't have to sit there and be bored for too long. So first I'm going to start with the Caprice and then show you in the next video. You'll see the 66 Impala. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget click the subscribe button, hit that like, comment, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you don't miss the new videos of these cars and all my other cars. I'm a car dealer and a car enthusiast, so I do a lot of test drives, reviews, sports cars. I go to the track, I drift, I race. I got a 06, got a Skyline, Cobra. The one good thing about getting older is you actually have a little more money to be able to afford toys like these. Let's go. So here we got the Caprice Classic. I found it funny how from the factory, when this car was brand new, they named it Classic, which is odd for a brand new car to be called Classic, but as we can see, this did turn out to be a classic, which is kind of cool. We all grew up watching these 80s, 90s movies, and these cars were super popular with the taxis, police cars, all this kind of stuff. So watching those movies made me want to get one of these even more. It's like something that you cannot have, you want. Especially now these cars are getting older and less of them left on the streets. Some get wrecked, some break down, so I really gotta get this while I can and keep it as a piece of history. Here we got the 18, actually these are 20-inch wheels. I bought the car from Cali myself, drove there, long drive from Seattle to California, Sacramento. And this guy was selling it. It was raised a little bit, couple inches. But I bought it, lowered it a little bit, put some different wheels on it. I think it looks sweet. I love how it looks. Brougham edition. It's got the power options. As we can see, windows power seats. Mirrors are not powered or manual. Got a wood grain steering wheel. The last seller did give me the original steering wheel. I also got it in the trunk. But let me show you condition. Those are pretty clean for the age especially. I just ordered some new floor mats online, like original, same color, dark blue with the Caprice logo on it. So it should be nice when that comes in. Headliner is nice, no rips. Show you the back. Power locks. That's open. Top is nice shape, no rust, no bubbling. Fenders are good, no rust in there either. I bought new chrome pieces for this, all around four sides. Super nice. Some tire shine right here, but clean seats. Everything's the way it's supposed to be. Headliner is kind of sagging in some spots, but I noticed if you press it, it kind of stays up for a while. Seats are nice. Interior. Pop the trunk, pop the hood, show you what that looks like if you're curious. So I think this is the power trunk, but the key's gotta be on. The only thing is missing is this vents. I think two of them are missing. The center ones are good, but the sides are missing the inside piece. Let's look inside under the hood. a little dusty, but starts and drives. A couple pumps when it's cold, maybe 3, 4, 5 pumps, and it starts right up. No issues. It's got low miles on it, like 53,000 miles, which is cool for the age. I checked the report, auto check, all lines up, actual miles. So that's pretty crazy for the old car. But look how nice this thing looks. I love the body. No dents, no dings. I mean, I think maybe like 1 or 2 dings on the driver's side. But paint's excellent. I had it buffed. Chrome pieces are nice. Rims look sick. Interior. Let me grab a key and start this thing. Find the right key. I got a couple keys in my pocket. We'll show you the Impala next. So here we get the keys. Put her in there. Starts right up. Give it some gas. Light switches. Let's check out the lights, huh? Let's keep the car on for now. Since the lights are on, we'll keep the car on. Lights work, everything works. Seats, wipers, blinkers, lights, everything the way it's supposed to be. Look how clean that is. Love it. That old car sounds cool. Lights work, brake lights, blinkers. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss the new videos of these cars or all of my other sports cars I got. Like I said, I'm a car dealer, car enthusiast. We do test drives, reviews, different sports cars. I got a Skyline, Corvette 06, I go racing, drifting.